I can't get you out of my head. Spent a lot of time searching for the one I wanna be with. The cutest boy I ever have seen. Didn't know Cupid was aiming at me. I wonder if he knows, yeah. So if you find the one, throw your heart in the sky. Let him know that love is stolen, and we'll never have to wonder why. For sure, he's the reason I'ma buy a lot of candy, and the mall spending all my money. I gotta make it clear so he understands me. I ain't got a boyfriend, so baby you could be my Valentine, 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 Valentine.
This right here.